Hey, what's up everybody? Dave from Quarter Flips here. It's Monday Motivation, my Monday Motivation. This is the video that I make where I take a look at the last week and look at how my plans for that week played out and how my plans for the week upcoming will hopefully play out. First off, of course, I've got to look at whether I got enough listings up on eBay and Discogs or wherever I'm selling. Did I get 10 a day? I did not get 10 a day. However, the few listings that I did put up added up to over $1,400. I did some little bit more complicated ones. It took some work, got some bigger items up, and I spent a lot of the week working on other things that will hopefully help me get more things up in the future. So I don't feel like it was a total failure. 10 is an arbitrary number. Dollar amount is more important. I also said that I was going to get 2 videos up last week. One of those videos was going to be a whole new series. I did get those done. Spent quite a bit of time on them last week. And both of them ended up performing much better than my normal videos. The one I put up yesterday about 10 DVD prices has been I think my best performing videos in terms of number of views in a short period of time and likes of any video I've ever put up, maybe, which is nice because I'm going to make one of those videos a week, including another one of them this week by the end of the week. So my next Monday Motivation, I'll be able to look back at this and see if I actually got that done. I don't know how many listings I'm going to get up this week, but I'm going to shoot for at least 10 a day. I do know that at least some part of the week is going to be focused on getting some more of those complicated ones up. So the money should be good regardless of how many numbers actually go up. What else can I tell you? My friend's photo shoot was awesome. I had a really good time socially last week. Got to spend a couple days around friends. That obviously takes a little bit out of the work, but you got to balance life, right? Like, you got to spend time with friends. You got to do some stuff that's social. I'm getting into these modes of just like work all the time, and I have to be okay with the idea of breaking that up, even if it can be frustrating when I'm seeing a goal that I'm approaching, but I am not yet there. Not going to be a lot to these videos, these Monday Motivation videos. These are just to get me pumped up. This week, I'm going to make another video. I'm going to list a bunch of stuff. There's nothing on the horizon, seriously, this week, other than that. So it's going to be a work week. I did discover something kind of annoying. eBay has removed another feature, and I don't understand the reasoning behind this. It's a what sold feature. It's the price for items that have sold. Let me explain. You can still, at least as of now, find the prices of things that sold on eBay. If there were bids on it because it was at auction, you can see what the final bid price was. If someone just bought it outright, you can see the price. But if someone makes an offer, what eBay does is they put up the price that the seller was asking, they put a line through it, and then they say best offer accepted. So we give you an example right here, this Star Wars figure. So we don't know the number that actually sold for. And if you want to know what it actually sold for, there used to be a number of ways to do that. I had watched videos on this. You could use Terapeak, and then Terapeak got taken over by eBay. But then there was, as recently as, say, 6-7 months ago, there were videos showing how to use that to find the actual price. That was available in the coding. There was also a way that you could go into the actual sold item and get into the source code behind it and search for the number that it actually sold for. The number needed to be there because they needed to know what to charge tax on. So these people weren't getting taxed on the number with the line through it. They were getting taxed on the actual sold price. Well, that's not there anymore. eBay has removed that from the source code. Not only that, when you go to the original listing, you can see what the sold item is, but when you click original listing, there's no price. There's not even the price with the line through it anymore. If you go to one that just sold and it doesn't have the line through it, and we see the price and we know the price, then you click original listing, there it is. It's on the page. But anything where best offer was accepted, they've taken that away. They've taken it out of the coding. Someone got paid to do that. They wanted that done. And I don't understand why they don't want us to know what the best offer accepted prices are. And clearly they still need that number for taxes, but I'm assuming they moved that coding over into the side of the coding that only the individual account user can see to the seller's account, and they just pull it from there somehow. But this is a complicated thing they had to have figured out. Why did they change the old way I don't know. Does anyone know? Do you know why they would have changed this? Why don't they want us to know what offers were offered and accepted for people? I was working on a project for some other new videos and I could not find the accepted offer prices, so I had to kind of change the way I was doing it, and I don't like that. That annoys me. Why did they do this? It seems like over time they kept trying to find a way to thwart people. It seems like now they finally have. So the annoying thing is if it says something sold for $10,000 with a line through it, maybe the person offered $500 and they accepted it. We don't know if that was actually a pricey item. I want to know. I just want to know what stuff sold for. Okay, so that's it. That's it. If anybody has any answers, if there are any new workarounds where you can actually get that information, let me know in the comments. And yeah, we'll see if that'll work for another few months. That's it. Quick one today. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time later in the week with a new video, and then, every Monday with one of these. See you soon.